Timeless financial principles from Jewish teachings. Have you ever wondered why Jewish people are, on average, so financially stable? Here's a fact. According to a Pew Research study, 23% of Jewish households in the U.S. report incomes of $200,000 or more. That's 1 in 4 families. Compare that to only 4% of U.S. adults overall. Those numbers are staggering. But here's the thing. It's not a myth, it's not coincidence, and it's definitely not luck. The truth lies in financial principles rooted in their sacred texts, rules that have been passed down through generations for thousands of years. These aren't just rules, they're timeless strategies that work in every era, across businesses, personal finances, and social interactions. In this video, I'm breaking down these financial secrets and showing you how you can apply them step by step. If you want to turn your finances around, stick with me. First, let's debunk a common misconception. Some people think Judaism encourages poverty as a form of righteousness. That couldn't be further from the truth. Rabbis have long described poverty as pointless suffering, not a virtue. Jewish teachings emphasize earning a meaningful living, being self-reliant, and avoiding becoming a burden to others. Even charity comes with expectations. Those receiving help are still encouraged to earn their own livelihood. While many Americans and Europeans struggle with debt, credit cards, student loans, mortgages, the Jewish community consistently thrives. But how? It's not about stereotypes like greed or cheapness. Those are damaging misconceptions. Instead, the secret lies in their teachings, deeply rooted in the Torah and traditions. Let me introduce you to the 5-jar system. This is one of the first financial lessons Jewish children learn, starting as early as Hanukkah when they receive gelt, money, as gifts. Here's how it works. Kids divide their money into 5 jars, each labeled for a specific purpose. The first 10% is given back to God. This teaches gratitude and prevents greed. Another 10% goes to helping those in need. Here's the genius part. This isn't just about generosity. It's about building trust and strengthening community bonds. When a person gives, the community supports them in return, especially when starting businesses. The next 20% goes into investments. Kids are encouraged to use this money for ventures like a lemonade stand or something that grows their wealth. Even if they fail, they learn valuable lessons early. Another 10% is for emergencies, because life is unpredictable. The remaining 50% is for personal use. This system teaches discipline, responsibility, and financial independence. But it doesn't stop there. Jewish culture values living within one's means. They prioritize meaningful expenses like education, skill building, and supporting the community over materialistic spending. This isn't about being stingy, it's about being wise. After all, money is temporary and subject to risk. The Talmud teaches that wealth requires effort to earn and effort to save. Another big secret? The power of community. In most communities, people tend to keep to themselves. But in Jewish communities, the network is everything. They support each other's businesses, share opportunities, and ensure that wealth circulates within the group. This creates a cycle of trust and growth. Here's another powerful principle from the Talmud. If you want to get rich, learn from the rich. This means studying successful people, understanding their strategies, and applying them to your own life. Mentorship is especially important. So what will you do today to secure a better financial future?